Good afternoon. Today is June 10, 2026. It is Wednesday. We are here in La Paz, Siargao Island, Surigao. Visit of Rio here at Tell names. Before that, before, what course? So start school USTL 2000 or 1996. So ang class ini kagabi from 5:30 to 9:30. No morning. Saturday, Sunday. Morning. So continue. Pinaka-best na student for education, special education, that time your class. Pinaka-best. Maybe 10 or add more 10 plus stop. So, ang graduate ra nga get together to makilang mo 8 person or students. Then finish na course in Cebu, Lahog, Cebu City, Lahog, USTL. So, we return in Napa for what naman work pada next finish research next what naman work. Have na desk open. Walang taas. So still. So start 2001 to okay. What man do sa volunteer 2 months. So have na support sa LGU. Pero when I start here ka student from other islands who stay sa house 2001. So get tell story how get sa student from other islands stay sa house free dinner breakfast or sister community what happened. Surigao. Surigao. So sa gobernador. Okay. Support for tulong, baon, and stay improve. Yung pinakabok din, stay sa house. Natin, ang limit. Every 1 year. Every 1 year, limit 1. Natin. Kung man mo po sa food, ang mga therefore, hindi mo hamama. Food ba? Rice, salad, vegetable. So easy na. Hindi sa house. So practice learn. So good learning sa death. Pagka-finish sa house, others, first year, then 2, 6 years, graduate, pero grade 6. What man challenge or where na sila continue high school ang mga in the house. So, sa school, nakaw man ito ito. Tumon natin. So, how to book. So, imo ha basic. Maybe ako, think basic, elementary, grade 1 to grade 6. Sandali na. So, give ra gyapon. Sa Cebu. So, ikaw, high school, you said sa Cebu, sa first high school, kung intern. But katong dili ka house mo, difficult kaya wala support na. Kaya ikaw sa nakasurrender mo. Nakasurrender, why? 6 years naman. So, difficult na sa money house support. Kaya kami sila limited din. So, sila responsible parents. So next, okay. So, finish na to. Pag finish na to, continue na ta sa so, 2 months apply here. So, support mama. So, ikaw, mama, support. So, pag finish na to, so, ganon. So, ikaw, so, apply. So, depend. Okay, kung nag-governor, so, pang-intended, ay, so, intended, so, para mag-open, what to year? Okay, what man itong year? 2001 yapon, before, or maybe 2002. So, happy ra, mag-age. Okay, like yourself, like become a teacher, what man do past, can I think future what work, and now become teacher, the course, so now 2026, hindi naman ka-time exam PRC 19 times na, so what then, so where man ka last nga ni take sa exam, start, you see, ang last, where, 2025, so what man reason why man ma-feel difficult, what different things, so now new, now I say by specialization, hindi na about specialization, meaning how all group na siya, so ilang study na niya butin niyo meron na lifetime time really successful until 2020 times, so continue man yapon for always update so about you special teacher, so start 2001, so 25 years after na now, so now how naman din siya ang grade level 1, 2, 3, 4 next, so how what challenge or what problem about basic. other ako suggest, or ako suggest, you use some paper, para ma-feel na motor skill. Feel one, feel how i-ride, para boom, para may movement na activity. So, sa next nga, ilang to kabok now, how many death now together na sa grade 1, grade 2, so, okay, so now I'm saying some, how many support death students nga mo I'm saying, lead, para gasolin, what for, transportation, travel, so, muna, nagpuport pa, brother Dennis, hindi ka na to support pass, karon stop na. So maybe transfer different other countries, maybe Congo, sino ko na Sabino, so may transfer Africa. Now Dennis naman sila, Philippines, so transfer sila. So maybe find other way can support sa them. Maybe later, ito ka sa update kung mag-support sa mga student para 1 week na travel para i-give, para not lang i-buy food kay some, i-buy na nila rice the people, how man, need man, live, okay, but need, later na, so para ma-important, para continue, not only one. So last 2026 now, have graduate March 30, sila ka mag-graduate niya grade 6, have mag-graduate niya din? Wala. Pero pass. 2025, wala. 2024. Pero asa naman, where naman, if mag-graduate 2024, so naagal po dyan. Pila ka buok sa high school here sa Dapa National High School, my province. So, na-responsible dito, interpreter, make sa hearing. Harassment. Lagi, para head. Okay, so, next, what man challenge sa deaf na different grade level. So, good, how man challenge, so, loss, different, how man ma-propose na one deaf, grade 1, see other how control the video. So have need have activity or music sa video sa laptop or na-abay TV. Wala ko man na-order ang TV, we need support later at inform sa YouTube. We have support or video here in Lapa para happy together ang students. Kasi visual about sa new technology. Kaya ako send mo about sa book sa technology. So, tuloy to practice sa mga deaf students. So, now teach about the morning. So, guide ni team oral kung practice sa mga deaf na hearing parents. Teach sa todo. Katong matang para mundin. Kaya ni ka picture, di kan sila makaspeak. So, you cannot hear but can speak. So, so need touch. Mobile break, listening sa cellphone, mobile break, practice sa mga hearing, sa home, have sign language, in school, practice sa student. Lesson 1, 2, then limit. So practice. Give sad to ABC. The next ato ng number. So tell man, sabong man ang papa atong afternoon, pwede ra number to see. So counting na yapon. Or later, ako get visit sa Cebu about sa katong cards. Para 4 ballers natin. Gambling, color, black, basic, red, orange, yellow ba na? Or other yung color sa Italy sa casino. So para for improve sa sila color sa eyes para makasi. Others, so all deaf students graded different ang autism. No, all have grade 1. Okay, autism was no grade. So mo na sa direct up nila. So up. Up. So more information later about Rio in awards na sa home para information para clear. Okay. Maybe tomorrow mamuguhon na ni para pa-visit me again in ito sa Proud 9. Okay, so what pa other we add about sa death niya experience na good experience ka sa house or now control na now stop na when stop na itong donate itong house stay ang mga deaf students na legal time when in 2001 end end so 10 years service free so now things na ang my deaf parents educated na have na budget for food for school para sa school kailangan students na para clear. Okay, more naman ikaw have naman meron naman so have more na responsibility. Okay, pass together sa wife since kamo man duha responsible katong bulim sa house. Okay, danger na itong house. Yeah, not us soon. Okay, so teacher man so under aware fast yun na lahat sa science English so listen STEM science, technology so different nga kay different nila so level different man sila different man special needs na education nila more sila sa limited sa high intelligence. So thank you for sharing your story to me and to share to me for our health, for our about this good learning experience. This is thank you. Okay.